Hello guys and welcome back. Today I have a kind of a more difficult job to do. So right in this house here, uh, the water main pipe break down, so you have a hole in it because of the rust. Actually, I believe the problem is it was some when they actually laid the pipe, they put some concrete on top, and because the concrete is acid, it corroded the pipe. So now you have this problem. We have this leak here, and I'm hoping to solve it with this clamp here. So I've already been into this house, so I found out exactly where the leak is, and we are going to go and see that in one moment. I had to take the first step out. It's a concrete slab, so I had to take that off, and right underneath we can see the pipe that is leaking. So yeah, at this point I'm just going to try to solve it with this clamp here, because to change all the pipe, the main water pipe, is going to take a lot of time, and I will have to do a lot of damages outside and inside the house. So I really hope that for now I can solve this problem quickly just with this clamp here. I've got even some of this type of tape. It's a sticky tape that sometimes is doing the job, but because it's a main water pipe, it's going to have a lot of pressure on it, and I don't think it's going to do the job. But let's go out there and see if we can solve this problem here. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is the slab here. I will just have to remove this, and we are going to find the leak. And the leak is right over there. Trying to make a little bit of space so I can reach that pipe. And I want to break all this in a little bit inside there. be enough. I just made a little bit of space around it so I can tighten up my bracket, and it seems that they try to do some quick fix with some cable ties and rubber. I'm going to remove that. That is not going to do it, isn't it? And of course you want to see the leak, isn't it? Of course. Alright, so I'm going to put the main water on. And that's the leak. Throw the other back. Not too much light here, and the hole is quite big. Hopefully that bracket is going to do it. And here we go. That is the rubber that is going to go on the pipe, and hopefully it's going to do it because the hole is quite big. I'm trying to clean it a little bit from the rust, and I'm just going to top it now. So first the rubber right there. Plates, the bracket. Then of course the screws. And that's one. Okay, hopefully I can put the other one in. that is going right at the back. Maybe if I just going to bend it a little bit. Need to try to tighten down everything. So let's tighten up everything. Alright, so I think I tightened it up enough. So let's just see what's happening when I'm going to put the main water supply on. Alright, so let's see. I'm turning the water on. And it's on. No leak. Nothing yet. is something. Trying to dry it a little bit and see if it's still leaking. Alright, so I left it for a while and it seems that it's not leaking anymore. Alright guys, so I think that's it for this video. The bracket worked, it stopped the water leakage for now, and the guys are going to have water inside the house. But keep in mind that is just going to be a quick repair, just for the guys to have a water supply in the house. Sooner or later, either the metal pipe is going to crack somewhere else because it's quite old and it's just sitting on the bricks and on the concrete, and that means it's corroded and sooner or later it's going to leak somewhere else. So this was a quick fix, and I tried to do as less damage as possible, because I've been instructed to take all these steps out, and I didn't do that because I didn't want to create more work for the client. And yeah, we just fixed it for now. Everything is working fine for now, but like I was saying, it's just going to be a quick fix for a short period, of course. So yeah, it seems that it's not leaking for now, and at this point don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. home. Let's go home. Where it's nice and warm. Done loads of work in this house here. That render was done like 7 years ago. Still clean.